Hello teacher, hello everybody. Today I submit my homework day 35. Today I describe the picture. The picture shows how people celebrate the New Year in Ethiopia. The laptop on the laptop picture, people are sharing traditional food such as chicken, eggs, pumpkin bread, and vegetables. On the right top picture, Equator Church is welcome be full of smiles, peace, and opportunities. On on the left bottom picture, younger younger girl from house to house with dressing white color clothing, and they sing traditional song. Mm, the last picture, so some child pick a yellow white flower as a symbolize hope and sunshine. That's all. Thank you for listening.